5 AI tools that replace assistants. Hiring a virtual assistant? That can cost you hundreds monthly, but 2025 AI tools do 90% of that work faster, cheaper, and smarter. In this video, I'll reveal 5 insanely powerful AI tools that replace a full-time virtual assistant. Ready to save time and money? First up, Motion, your AI calendar that schedules your entire day for you. Input tasks, it finds the best time slots, even juggling meetings. Motion adapts your schedule in real time and helps prevent burnout by balancing meetings and free time. Perfect for busy pros and remote workers. Next, Superhuman AI, think Gmail but on steroids. It detects email intent, drafts replies instantly, and smartly prioritizes your inbox. Superhuman AI helps you spend less time in email and more in deep work. Ideal for founders, freelancers, and sales pros looking to boost productivity. Third, Fireflies.ai is your meeting memory AI. It joins Zoom, Teams, or Meet calls and auto-records everything for you. It doesn't just record. Fireflies.ai summarizes meetings, extracts action items, and sends follow-ups so you don't have to take notes. Forget note-taking forever. Fireflies.ai is the AI virtual assistant that remembers every detail so you don't have to. Fourth, Tactiq gives you real-time live captions and summaries during Google Meet calls, transforming conversations into organized notes. If you juggle many meetings daily, Tactiq helps you capture every key moment instantly. No more scrambling for notes later. Finally, x.ai or Clara, AI meeting schedulers that work by simply CCing them in emails to handle all scheduling for you. These tools find perfect meeting times, resolve time zone conflicts, and send calendar invites, like a tireless assistant who never forgets. Combine all 5 AI tools, and you have a fully automated assistant working 24/7, never asking for a raise and never burning out. Smartest businesses in 2025 aren't hiring more. They're automating smarter with AI teams replacing virtual assistants for a fraction of the cost. Subscribe to ThinkSync for weekly AI toolkits and automation tutorials. Let's build the future together. Drop a comment below and tell me, which AI tool will you try first to supercharge your productivity?